Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is thoughtful. Let's learn what it means. Thoughtful means showing care, kindness, and consideration for others. A thoughtful person thinks about how their actions affect other people. Here's an example. It was thoughtful of her to check on her friend after a difficult day. This means she showed care and consideration for someone else's feelings. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word thoughtful? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.